What's up, everyone? Your friend Jim here, and today we're diving into something that's got massive potential to change the game for your business on Passive. OnPassive might just be the answer. We're talking about a fully integrated business solution that leverages the power of automation and AI. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video is your one-stop shop to understanding how OnPassive can take your business to the next level. Before we get started, please remember to subscribe and comment below. Thanks. So buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and let's get right into it. First up, let's talk automation. Imagine this. Tasks that used to eat up hours of your day, things like email marketing, social media management, even lead generation, all happening automatically 24/7. That's the power OnPassive brings to the table. No more juggling multiple tools or platforms. OnPassive puts everything you need in one place. And the best part, it does the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about pre-built workflows and automated processes designed to optimize your business from the inside out. While OnPassive handles the repetitive, time-consuming stuff, you're free to focus on what really matters, building your brand, connecting with customers, and taking your business to new heights. OnPassive's automation ensures that tasks are completed accurately and consistently, which means fewer errors, less stress, and ultimately better results for your business. Now let's talk about the brains behind the operation, AI. We hear it everywhere, but OnPassive isn't just throwing around buzzwords. They're actually implementing AI in a way that makes a real difference. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in the blink of an eye, way faster than any human could. OnPassive uses this to your advantage, providing you with data-driven insights that can inform your strategy and help you make smarter business decisions. OnPassive's AI can actually learn and adapt over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, constantly optimizing your campaigns and processes for maximum effectiveness. We're talking about AI-powered tools for everything from targeted marketing and customer segmentation to predictive analytics that can help you anticipate market trends before they even happen. Chapter 3. Cost effectiveness, get more, spend less. Let's talk about the bottom line, cost. You might think that a comprehensive platform like OnPassive would break the bank, but it's actually designed to save you money in the long run. Think about all the individual tools and subscriptions you're currently paying for. Email marketing, CRM, automation software, the list goes on. OnPassive consolidates all of that into one affordable package, which means you're getting way more value for your investment. By automating tasks and streamlining your operations, you're freeing up time and resources that you can then reinvest back into your business. Not only are you saving money on unnecessary expenses, but you're also boosting your revenue potential. Chapter 4, Scaling Up Made Easy. One of the biggest challenges for any growing business is scalability. Can your systems and processes handle increased demand? With OnPassive, you don't have to worry about that. Whether you're a solopreneur just starting out or a large enterprise looking to expand, OnPassive can scale to meet your needs. OnPassive's cloud-based platform is designed for seamless scalability, allowing you to add new users, features, and resources with just a few clicks. This kind of flexibility is crucial in today's fast-paced business world, and it's one of the key reasons why OnPassive is such a game changer for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. Chapter 5, The Power of Community. Beyond the tech, the features, the automation, there's another aspect of OnPassive that really sets it apart: the community. Joining OnPassive is like joining a family of like-minded entrepreneurs who are all on a mission to succeed. You'll have access to a supportive network of individuals who understand the challenges you face and are there to offer guidance, advice, and encouragement. OnPassive provides comprehensive training and resources to help you get the most out of the platform. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete beginner, you'll find all the support you need to succeed. Plus, OnPassive has a dedicated customer support team that's available 24/7 to answer your questions and help you troubleshoot any issues. The future of business is here. OnPassive can revolutionize your business. Automation, AI, and scalability are key. Streamline operations and boost productivity. For more information about OnPassive, check the link in the description below. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Keep pushing the limits of what's possible. Thank you and have a great day.